Don't make cassava before watching this video. In a pressure cooker, place 1 liter of water and then add 500 grams of cassava. Cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, add 200 grams of bacon to a skillet and stir until bacon is well fried. This is the sweet spot. Let's get out of the fire. The cassava is ready. Stick it with your fork to see if it is the right spot. Drain all the water and set aside the cassava. In another pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Stir until it melts completely. Right after, add 1 chopped onion and let's mix until this onion white. Now, add 2 tablespoons of a purple flour, 600 ml of milk, mix a little and season with 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and stir until it starts to thicken. When it's like this, you can withdraw. In a serving dish, add all the cassava. Sprinkle some salt on top. And now add all the sauce. For a special touch, add 200 grams of mozzarella. And to finish, just add all the bacon. Now just put in the preheated oven at 200 degrees for 25 minutes or until the cheese is golden. Guys, look how amazing it looks, wonderful. Do it at your home, I'm sure. Everyone will love this. Honestly, now I only want to eat manioc, if that's how it is. I hope you like it. This was another recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.